Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures and gestures to 3-button navigation. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen. Then let's scroll all the way down and find system navigation. And as you can see here, we've got our two options. So let's pretend, first of all, I'd like to set the buttons. So all we have to do is to tap on the buttons here. And as you can see, your device will immediately display those 3 buttons. Here you can reorder back button and the recents just by turning on or off this option. So it's up to you which one is more comfortable for you. And here you can also automatically disable navigation buttons in some of those apps. You can also set some kind of shortcut, so you can press and hold menu button for example, turn off screen, close current app, partial screenshot, or launch camera. Same for home button, but here we've got only circle to search, which is assigned, so we can either turn it on or off, and the back button, so again we can add some kind of shortcut. So basically this is how it works, right? This is the back button, home button, and resets. And if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on gestures, so on this animation. If you want to, you can go through the tutorial, just tap on learn. I don't want to do it. I will also explain in a second how the gestures work. You can see that instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we've got the shortcuts, so either none or circle to search, because it is assigned to this line. Unfortunately, we cannot really hide it. All right. So in order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. If you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here. Just like that. And here we've got the recents. If you'd like to, you can also swipe between the apps quickly, just by swiping your finger at the bottom of the screen from the left to the right or right to left, just like that. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.